Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Navya and I make videos on skincare, vlogs and shopping. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and support. Today's video is going to be Plum birthday sale recommendation haul. So without further delay, let's begin this video. Plum Goodness is a vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, clean beauty brand that has always provided their audience with products for all skin types and concerns while also staying true to being transparent and real. Plum has turned 8 and to celebrate this day, they have huge sale going up on their website from 1st to 4th of July with up to 50% discount and some very exciting offers and freebies. So I am here to recommend few of my favorite products from the brand Plum, and now let's begin this video. So the first product that I have is by their hair care range, and this is their Plum Olive and Macadamia shampoo. This is how the product looks like. This is a 300 ml package worth rupees 550. It also comes with a pump for easy application. This is a gentle sulfate-free and hydrating shampoo that is enriched with plant-derived keratins that helps your hair feel strong. So this shampoo is 100% vegan and it is not harsh on your hair. So I started using this shampoo when my hair felt extremely frizzy and dry because of chemical treatments, and this shampoo has helped to manage my dry frizzy hair. So if you're also someone who is facing dry and frizzy hair problem, then this is one of the shampoos that you can try, and this is the right time for you to buy this product. And you also get freebies for every order that you place. The next product is a skincare range, and I do not miss using this in my skincare routine. So it is their 10% Niacinamide serum. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with a glass package and a stopper. It retails for 790 rupees for 30 ml of the product. It contains fermented rice water that improves skin texture and also brightens your skin. It helps in minimizing the appearance of pores and protects your skin from sun damage. So this is a 10% niacinamide face serum that clarifies and brightens your skin. It has rice ferment filtrate that's rich in amino acids, making skin bright, firm and clear. It also has plant-derived squalene. Squalene is a moisturizer that is naturally present in rice bran. It also has natural caffeine and vitamin E to soothe skin and prevent inflammation. This serum is quick absorbing, non-greasy, fragrance-free and suitable for all skin types. It is perfect for AM and PM use. This product is also free from synthetic colors, artificial fragrances and essential oils. It is also 100% vegan and paraben-free. I personally love using serums in my skincare routine, and this 10% niacinamide serum has helped my dry skin to stay hydrated, as well as my acne spots have been fading. So if you're also someone that is looking for a serum that can help you reduce your dark spots and blemishes and keep your skin hydrated, then this is a must try. The next product is a makeup recommendation by the brand Plum, and I have their Eyewear by Matte Liner. So it is a cute package and comes with a special precision felt tip applicator for easy application. It is a deep black eyeliner which gives a matte finish in just one stroke. This eyeliner is a smudge proof, waterproof and quick dryer. This is 100% vegan and cruelty free. This eyeliner is also lightweight. It has argan oil, it is SLS and SLES free. So this is a beginner friendly eyeliner, and also if you are looking for something that can last longer and is waterproof and smudge proof, then this is one of the best options that you can try. The next recommendation that I have is from Plum's fragrance range, and I have their Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is a 150 ml package worth 525 rupees. It has aloe infused formula that gets you smelling sweet and warm like a tempting creamy vanilla cupcake whenever you like. This has a purse friendly package. You can take it everywhere you go. It is free of sulfates, parabens, silicone and animal derivatives. It is cruelty free. It lasts up to 2 to 3 hours. So if you are someone who likes warm vanilla fragrances, then this mist is a must try. So these were my recommendations. Also all the products are up to 50% off. And you also have the chance of getting freebies such as the vitamin C toner and moisturizer, Eyewear by Volume Mascara worth rupees 1500, and also one lucky winner gets to win iPhone 13 every day. And you can also use my coupon code BDAY10 to get 10% discount. So that was all about today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.